How to use Rocket Lawyer online legal advice properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Rocket Lawyer provides instant legal solutions, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to incomplete guidance, misfiled documents, or even missed deadlines. The first mistake is not providing full and accurate information. Rocket Lawyer relies on your inputs to generate contracts, letters, or legal advice. Beginners who omit important details risk receiving advice that doesn't fully apply to their situation. Another common error is assuming all documents are fully customized. Rocket Lawyer provides templates that must be reviewed carefully. Beginners who submit forms without reviewing can face errors or unenforceable agreements. Many users also overlook subscription benefits. Rocket Lawyer offers document storage, attorney consultations, and reminders. Beginners who ignore these tools miss opportunities to streamline legal management. Failing to track deadlines and follow-up actions is another pitfall. Documents may require filing, signatures, or notarization. Beginners who skip tracking can jeopardize contracts or legal claims. Finally, some assume Rocket Lawyer replaces personalized legal counsel in complex situations. While helpful for routine matters, beginners who avoid consulting an attorney for complicated issues risk costly mistakes. To use Rocket Lawyer properly, provide complete information, review templates carefully, take advantage of subscription tools, track deadlines, and consult an attorney for complex matters. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll handle legal matters confidently and efficiently.